Hi everyone, so it's me again, Jeansy Veral, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing to you how I make a hybrid shell stitch. So first, let us make a chain of 25. And then let's add 2 more chain. 1, 2, 3, so it should be here. Continue double crochet until you reach at the bottom of your chain. And now let us add 1 more row of single crochet. So chain 1, flip your work, and start your single crochet on each stitch. Continue single crochet until you will reach at the end of your row. Our third row, let us make our shell stitch. Chain 2, flip your work, and then let us start our shell stitch on our third stitch from the hook. That's 1, 2, 3. Let's add 3 double crochet. Chain 1, and then add 3 more double crochet. And then chain 1, add another shell stitch in our 5th stitch after our first shell stitch. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 double crochet on the same stitch. Chain 1, another 3 double crochet. Okay, so continue adding shell stitch on every 5 stitches until you will reach at the end of your row. So in our row 4, chain 1, flip your work, and then insert a single crochet on this chain space right here. And then flip your work again, and then let us add 4 single crochet on this first shell double crochet. And then add 4 more crochet at the end of our last double crochet on our first shell. It's right here. So this will be our 4th row should look like. It's somewhat a flower. So again, chain 1 and our chain space, and then 4 single crochet on this first double crochet, shell double crochet. And 4 single crochet at the end of our shell stitch. Just continue the process from our first 2 shell stitches until you reach at the end of your row. So this will be how your shell stitch will look like. This will be this is our shell stitch, and this is the front of the shell stitch, which I call the hybrid shell stitch. Okay, so in row 5, chain 2, and then yarn over twice, and let us make a double crochet, and then yarn over twice, and let us make a treble crochet. Yarn over twice, let us make treble crochet, and then let us close it with a single crochet, and this is what you call a cluster of treble crochet. And then chain 3, yarn over twice, and let us make another cluster of treble crochet on the same stitch. And then let's close it with a single stitch. So this is how it will look like. 2 cluster of treble crochet on our shell stitch. Again, yarn over twice, insert a double crochet on this shell space right here, and don't close it all the way. Okay, make sure there's 2 loops remaining, and on every treble crochet you're going to make. And then yarn over twice, chain 3, yarn over twice, continue this process until you will reach at the end of your row. Chain 1 and insert 2 single crochet on this chain space right here, and then 5 single crochet on this chain spaces right here, and then 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet, then 5 single crochet, and 2 single crochet on this chain space right here, and then just continue the process until you will reach at the end of your row. This is my hybrid shell stitch will look like. I am hoping that this hybrid shell stitch pattern will help you more with your future crocheting. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.